Morning students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about second lesson teeth and microbes, fourth class science in term 2. The previous classes we learnt about food and digestion. Now we are learn about chapter 2 teeth and microbes. Second lesson from 4th class science. What is our second lesson? Microbes, teeth and microbes. We are learning about first teeth. When a photographer asks us to say cheese, when a photographer asks us to say cheese, he actually wants us to smile. He actually wants us to smile. Clean and well-kept teeth make our smile beautiful. They give proper shape to our face. Teeth helps us to speak clearly. They enable us to bite and chew food. This makes digestion easy. So, our teeth are very important part of our body. We are all know that we eat food to live, yes, but to eat food we need teeth, and this teeth helps us to bite and chew and digest the food properly. First of all, teeth are very important parts of our body and they give shape to our face and also helps us to speak clearly. Okay, we have two sets of teeth in our lifetime and we learn temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, first we talk about temporary teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. She cuts her first tooth when she is about 6 months old. By the time she is 2.5 years old, she has 20 teeth. These are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. By the age of 2 and 3 years, a baby has 20 teeth in their mouth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. When the teeth are temporary teeth, when the child is about 6 years of age, the milk teeth begin to fall off one by one. Between the ages of 6 and 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one and new ones grow in their place. This new set consists of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. These are called permanent teeth. So, next is permanent teeth. At the age of 7 or 8 years, the permanent teeth grow after falling of temporary teeth. These are called permanent teeth. These are total 32 permanent teeth in an adult, 16 each in the upper and the lower jaw. Now we will discuss about kinds of teeth. Teeth are four types of teeth. Teeth are four types of or four kinds of teeth in the permanent teeth. They are incisor or cutting teeth, canine or tearing teeth, premolars or cracking teeth, molars or grinding teeth. First, we learn about incisor or cutting teeth. The four chisel-shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are incisors. We use them to cut and bite our food. There are 8 incisors for each in from of the upper and the lower jaw. The help in biting and cutting to food. Incisors are chisel-shaped teeth. We can see here this is the incisor teeth. Here are the incisor teeth. Yes, you can see the front 4 teeth. Next is canine. Canine are tearing teeth. On either side of the cutting teeth is a sharp tooth. These are canines which we use to tear pieces of food. What is that? There are 4 canines next to the incisors, one on each side in each jaw. You all see tiger in television. They have 4 canines teeth and sharp, and they have canine teeth to tear the flesh of the animals. Okay, they are sharp teeth and help in tearing food. See the picture. There are 2 canines in each jaw. Next one is premolars. Premolars are cracking teeth. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. These are the broad teeth next to the canines. They act like nutcrackers. They are meant for crushing food. They are 8 premolars in our mouth. These are 4 in each jaw and 4 in the upper and the lower jaw. These teeth are next to the canines. They are used for cracking and crushing the food in pieces. See the picture. Next one is molars or grinding teeth. These are 12 molars in all. These are 6 in each jaw. They are in upper and lower jaw. They are 6 in upper and lower jaw. They grind and chew the food. The last molar are known as wisdom teeth. See the picture. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are broader than the premolars and have broad upper surface to grind food. Next, we learn about the structure of a tooth. Before we learn 4 kinds of teeth. First of all, incisors. Upper jaw have 4 teeth. Lower jaw have 4 teeth. Total 8 teeth. Next one, canine. Canine have upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2. Total 4 teeth. Next one, type of premolars. Upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4. Total 8 teeth. Next one, molar types of teeth. Upper jaw 6, lower jaw 6. Total 12. Total 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. These are called permanent teeth. Now, we learn about the structure of a tooth. A tooth has 3 parts: the crown, the neck, and the root. The crown is seen above the gum. The root remains inside the gum. The outer cover of a tooth is very hard. It is called enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Below it lies the dentin. This is also quite hard inside the dentin. Is the pulp. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. Okay, tell me first, if you look at teeth in a mirror, what you see? You can see all the some part of the teeth lies inside the gums. A tooth has 3 main parts. What are they? And they are crown, that is the uppermost part of the teeth, neck, that is the next to the crown, and it lies between crown and root. Third one is root, that is bottommost part of the teeth. So first we talk about crown. Crown is the visible part of tooth, and second one is neck. Neck lies below the crown, and third one, root, lies inside the gum and holds the tooth in its position. So next is layers of a tooth. A tooth has 3 main layers. Those are enamel, dentin, pulp. Let us look on them. So, first is enamel. The outer part of the tooth, the white layer is called the enamel, and it is protect the tooth from wear and tear. Next is dentin, and it is softer than enamel. It is below the enamel lies the dentin, and that is a yellow bone like layer that support the enamel and protect inner part. And next is a pulp. The pulp is the innermost part which contains nerves and blood vessels, and it is most softer than the enamel and defined. And next is gums. The pink colored gums hold the teeth tightly of their place, and the unhealthy gums cause bleeding and pain and ultimately fall of teeth. So now what we have learned at in the senior diagram, that is for C in the left side of teeth, that is crown, which is the topmost uppermost part of the teeth. Next is neck. It is lies in the between of crown and root. Next is root, the bottommost part of root. Now see in the right hand side. Can you see white portion or white color layer is enamel. Next is the dentin. It is softer than the enamel. Next is gum, that is holds the teeth tightly, and the pulp, that is pulp on which contain nerves and blood vessels. Okay, now let's go care of teeth. If we take care, if we take good care of teeth, good care of our teeth, we can save them from decaying. Bites of food that remain stuck to the teeth can cause the growth of bacteria. First, attack the enamel and form a sticky coating called plaque. Then, they attack the dentin and finally the pulp. When the bacteria reach the nerves within the pulp, they cause pain. Tooth decay results in bad breath, cavities, toothache, bleeding gums, and indigestion. So, now what happens when we eat something when the food particles, a small food particles, sometimes stuck in our teeth gaps. Sometimes the stuck food gets spoiled and cavities. Forms cavities due to the presence of bacteria and germs. And we need to clean these spoiled food out, otherwise germs can grow and form a sticky yellow layer called plaque. Can you see that yellow layer? This is known as plaque, and plaque is the first stage to say the teeth is starting to decay. Next is the germs also produce an acid which makes a hole in the teeth called cavity. See the picture of the teeth and you can see smell holes and the teeth, brown color holes, that is cavity, and these cavity reaches the nerves in the pulp and causes a toothache. Tooth decay causes bad breath and bleeding gums. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Foods like milk, eggs, cheese, and cottage cheese are rich sources of calcium. Vitamin C is present in oranges, guavas, papayas, tomatoes, and green leafy vegetables like spinach and cabbage. Cavity reaches the nerves in the pulp and causes a toothache. Tooth decay causes bad breath and bleeding gums. So, we are need eat calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Foods like food items rich in calciums. Lady's finger, milk, almonds, cauliflower. leafy vegetables. Next one is tips for keeping teeth healthy. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. Make sure that you move your brush both upwards and downwards. Teeth are the one of the most important gift of the nature to human beings, which is take care of them and follow steps below. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. There, brush your teeth at least twice. Use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Wash your mouth after every meal. Do not have too many sweets or colas. Avoid eating too much of chocolates, sweets, and soft drinkings, and rinse your mouth after every meal. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups. Okay, dear students, I hope you all of you understand in this class. We will meet next class. Thank you. Bye.